This channel is documenting the journey to make $1 million on YouTube. And to give you the short answer, about 10 to 11 cents. Yep, I hate YouTubers that ramble on. On average, for me, when it comes to Facebook Reels, I get paid between 10 cents and 11 cents per 1,000 views. So now let's look into the nitty gritty. So this is Facebook Reels Insights. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this is kind of messy. I'm not the biggest fan of this, but I did a video recently where I got my first payout from Facebook Reels, the vertical videos. And you can see here that like in the past 90 days from January 1st to March 31st, just to give 3 full months, I got roughly about 41,800 views when it comes to all my Reels and everything. To be specific, I got 41,757 views. When I go to earnings off this, I made $4.39. I know, a crazy amount of money, mind-blowing amount of money, to kind of show you what this kind of looks like. If I go here, this is my page for Chero. I have the most random Reels ever, right? I have things about electronic music. I have just kind of random Reels about news topics, kind of like meme-worthy stuff. I have some fitness-related stuff, me rock climbing, me doing parkour, this one random gopher, and this, so I have kind of random stuff here. You can see some of them get 1.2K, some of them get some smaller views, like one of them, this one flopped, which I thought was kind of a cool reel. Make sure this is muted just in case. This is like a bar in Los Angeles that's like this like trippy kind of bar called the Observe, or the Observe or the Observatory? The Obscure. Sorry, it's called the Obscure. So you could see these are kind of the average views I get, totaling this amount of money. And when I went to ChatGPT, just to make things easy, sometimes it's easiest just to put this into ChatGPT, you can see this. Because I got 41,757 views and made $4.39 as my revenue, on average, about $11, excuse me, $11, I wish $11, roughly about 11 cents, very different numbers, roughly about 11 cents I make for every 1,000 views posting Facebook Reels. And you may be wondering, is this worth it? And here's my honest perspective, because it's interesting. I think Facebook right now is really trying to get into the social media game in terms of monetizing content. I think they're really trying to rival TikTok and YouTube now. They've been doing a lot more programs and a lot more. Here's my honest perspective that one, this amount of about, let's say 11 cents, like around 11 cents for every 1,000 views isn't that far off. For me, when it comes to YouTube and YouTube Shorts, I'd say I get anywhere between 10 cents to 30 cents. I know that's a huge spread per every 1,000 views. I'm gonna say on average, if I had to guess, probably about 15 cents. If I had to give like an average. So I think Facebook Reels pays a little bit lower than YouTube Shorts on average for me. If I had to really like think about how much you get paid. But then again, I've had some YouTube Shorts pay way less than this. So I feel like, I'm not gonna lie, 11 cents for every 1,000 views isn't that absurd when it comes to how much different platforms pay. Like TikTok does fluctuate. I believe it's about 5 cents though for every 1,000 views. Then again, TikTok and Facebook, two very different platforms. On TikTok, you can get 10,000 views like that. On Facebook, I find it's a bit harder. Like very few people I know doom scroll on Facebook Reels. A lot of people usually go to Instagram Reels or on TikTok. I feel like YouTube Shorts maybe a little bit, but again, out of those four, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, Facebook's definitely the lowest. Here's what I'd say to a lot of people. If, let's say, you came to me and said, hey, Mark, I want to make my living posting Facebook Reels, I'd be like, no. 100% no. Like, let's say if you're just getting started out, that is the worst approach. Like, no one says, I want to be a Facebook Reeler, which why does that sound, it sounds kind of weird to say. Like, I feel like I want to be a TikToker. Okay, I want to be a YouTuber. Yeah. I want to be a Facebook Reeler. I don't know why that sounds weird to me. Anyway, worst approach you can take, in my opinion, is trying to go into Facebook being like, oh, I'm going to make my living or at least a sizable income from Facebook Reels. Don't get me wrong. There are people definitely making a good amount of money. I think I saw one, he was already big on TikTok. I think his name is Brand Flakes. Is that his name? I believe. And I think he was posting that he was getting, I think it's like 5K a month from posting on Facebook. Then again, he already has a pretty big following. I think also Facebook doctored him into some new program they had. So Facebook, like I said, has been actually going pretty hard into the monetizing content arena. So I will say that. I do think Facebook can be useful, and I stress the word can, because like I mentioned in a few videos, and Mr. Beast has even talked about this, a lot of other creators have talked about this, one really good thing about posting vertical videos, because for me, in case you're curious, I prefer horizontal videos like this one. I prefer long content videos. That's just my personal style. But there's some people that are really, really good at shorts. And if you're good at those vertical videos, or if you post them, like I sometimes do once in a while, the crazy thing now is there are creators making one vertical video, whether it's a funny joke thing, they're talking about a current news topic, they are maybe doing something acrobatic, which I feel like is a very popular thing. Like I love looking at parkour reels and like calisthenics reels and acrobatic stuff. They make one vertical video, they post it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, the 4 main big platforms, and they make money from all 4 for one video. And the truth is, there really has never been something like that, I think, in history, because when you look at YouTube, the only rival, really, in my opinion, is Rumble, which I've done a video about. I don't think Rumble's worth it, although I know some people I've seen kind of making some money through Rumble, but I just don't think it's on the level of YouTube. But the crazy thing is the way I look at it is, why not? And that's what I say to a lot of people. If you're watching this video saying, hey, Mark, I've thought about making money from Facebook Reels. I've thought about monetizing my Facebook profile and maybe trying to like go down that route of like making extra side cash, I'd say, why not? Because for me, if I make one vertical video, literally the time it takes to let's say I make that vertical video, the time it takes for me to take that vertical video and push it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook is less than 5 minutes. Like posting on Instagram literally takes me a minute. Like it literally takes me 5 minutes to post on all these different platforms. The hardest part about it, because I usually just use the same caption for everyone, is just kind of picking the right thumbnail, because sometimes on each one, like if I'm talking, sometimes it's kind of tricky to pick the right perfect thumbnail. That usually just takes the longest. Then again, thumbnails aren't as important for shorts or vertical videos or reels compared to the way it is for a long format video, as most people usually do it through discovery, whether it's like your For You page on TikTok or doom scrolling on just your page on Instagram. Usually that's the way people discover shorts. It's usually not SEO based, where you search something and it pops up and you click on it and you're looking for a high CTR. So I will say that. Then again, I still want my thumbnails to look good as best as possible if I can on my shorts and on my reels. But at the end of the day, that's how convenient it is. And if you're somebody that really wants to go hard, I'd say, why not? Now, I'll say for me, I make money from YouTube Shorts. I do not make money, unfortunately, from TikToks. I'm not monetized on TikTok, not yet. Although I do use Drumbeat. I've talked about this before, where Drumbeat pays me about $5 for every 1,000 views, which is very easy to get on Shorts. So Drumbeat, one of the best platforms. I have it listed below in the description. Basically, what they do is they give you prompts, and then you have to like do a video about that prompt. And as long as your video fits these kind of categories, you'll get paid. It's pretty lucrative, but that's the way I get paid, almost third party, for my TikToks. And then, of course, I get paid from Facebook Reels. I don't get paid from Instagram. I'm not monetized on Instagram yet. But the way I look at it is like, hey, if I'm posting a vertical video, they can get me more views, more attention, which boosts all my stuff. Why not? So when it comes to Facebook, overall, 11 cents, I don't think is that bad of an RPM. I do wish it was higher, but it's kind of what I would expect.